Hey y'all, it's Peryn. For today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to get a colorful eyeshadow look. It's super easy if you aren't intimidated by bright colors, and it's okay if you are, but personally, I'm not. So the first thing I'm going to do is use this magenta color in the shade Therapy Sesh, and I'm just packing that on in the shape that I want it to be in. Now I'm using the shade Lolly Mama to blend out those harsh edges and so that it can look effortless. So now I'm using the shade Not My Journey, which is this really pretty dark purple shade, and I'm just gonna pack that into my crease and right above my lid to add some dimension to the look. Moving on to another palette, I'll be using this yellow shade from the Take Me Back to Brazil palette to blend out that pink and to also add a little bit of contrast. Now I'm just going back in with the previous pink and repacking that on so it doesn't get lost within the blending like I almost did with the yellow shade. And for the lid, I'm using a really pretty aqua color on a small brush. Now I'm taking this royal blue color to lightly blend out the corners of my lid, and it's going to make a nice transition into the center of the lid. To finish off this look, I'll be using this pressed glitter, and it's really going to make the eyes pop a little bit more, and I just think it's really pretty. I'm using these mink lashes from Amazon, and I'll have the link in the description box for y'all. Now I'm just adding this pressed glitter in my tear duct, which is my favorite part. Okay, for lips, I didn't really use an actual lip liner or lipstick. It's not a new concept, but I used this dark brown shade as my lip liner because it really gave me almost the perfect replica of an actual liner. And I used this lighter shade as my lipstick with a super flat brush. I wanted to show y'all this so that you won't be afraid to try new ways of using your makeup. So I hope y'all enjoyed this tutorial on this colorful eyeshadow look. So please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.